The girl say her first boyfriend nigga live in a gym, and that she want fucking girl while I scream. No, this man not that on the gully team. The girl don't see the gully girl and start screaming.
Baby, come into my room. Take me higher than the moon. Baby, come into my room.
Baby, me a come. With silver fish if you want. The girl they love me a give from back. Me have the key for your padlock. Me love her run over. You say baby no stop. You sweat till you're weak. You talk for your map. Sweet good thing, pretty little pet. Come make we go. When we go bust a sweat. I'm here to end your stress and bring your sexual happiness. We know no secret for keep. Make we confess. We're rolling in the gym.
Your fingers on my breast.
People could have seen, but I could have cared less.
Dying to get in between the sheets.
No baby, them don't know the rest.
Baby, come into my room. Take me higher than the moon. Baby, come into my room.
Baby, me a come. Baby, what is she for? It get no calmer. Sexy charmer. She full of night, me pop off it over. Sexy stations from the gully corner. So she want ride it like a yama. Think of one time me walk off the shana. And then me go at the room or in a corner. Put her in a coma or a trauma. From a girl thing, gully got run on you. The girls them know I'm a hard performer. A girl in my house I sing soprano. Sexy Joanna from Vatswana. Me and her, we make love a Ghana. Baby,
come into my room. Take me higher than the moon. Baby, come into my room.
me lady. Girl say her first boyfriend did a live in a gym. I could have had a him. Yeah. Yeah. Sexy ladies. For all these sexy girls out there, just wanna let you know, Mr. Brooks wanna hold you.
Think about keep bodies pressed against each other.
Stations, go ahead.